Hello guys, welcome to CS Tech Solution. Today's is learn in AWS DevOps. Today's is learn as a basic GitHub Actions workflows in a CI and the CD's pipeline. And a GitHub Actions workflows is a automated process that as a build, test, deploys yours a project, and whenever a specific event like such as a push or the pulls request as occurs, and the workflows files location as .github slash the workflows slash as a ci dash the cds .yml, and the complete workflows examples as first to gives as the name, so the names colons as the ci dash the cd and the pipeline, and on and colons inside as push colons, and the branch colons inside as a hyphen the main, and as a pulled underscore as a request and the colon, and after the job colons inside the build colons, and as a run dash on, and the colons is the ubuntu's dash lastets, and job after as a steps, and the colons inside as a hyphen the names colons, names is a checkout code, and the use, and the colons is a action slash the checkout at the rate with 4, and another names of the steps as a hyphen the names colon as a set up the javas, and the use as a action slash the setup dash the javas at the rate v3, and with a colon at the distribution colons is a single quotes inside the Tumurin, and the Java's dash the versions as 17 in the single quotes, and another steps names as hyphen the names colons as build with a mavens, and run colons as mvn, and the clean as a package, and another steps as hyphen the names colons as upload the build artifact as use colons as action slash the upload dash artifact at the rate as a v4, and with and the colons inside as names colons as application, and a path colons as a target slash star dot jar. And above the examples you have as explains in the steps, step 1 is check out the code as as a hyphen the names colon as a check out the code, and the use colons as the action slash as a checkout at the rate of v4 is a purpose as the download the last source code from as github repositories into the runners, and without these steps as the github action cannot access your the project file. Step 2 is set up the javas is and the hyphen the names colon as a set up the javas, and the use colon as a action slash the setup slash dash the javas at the rate v3, and with colon as the distributions colon, and the Tumurin, and the Java slash as a dash the versions colon as a 17 is install the Java 17 is Timurin's JDK's versions and on as a runners, and the parameters is the distribution means as Java's distributions like names as a Tumurin, and the Java's dash version is Java's versions to install as a 17. Step 3 is build with a maven as a hyphen the names colon as a build with a maven, and run colons as a mvn clean, and the package is build the Java's project using the maven, and the command is broken. The clean means as delete the previous build file, and as a package is compile the code, run the test, and as create jars and the vars files, and the output is a target slash inside as store the application.jar file, And step 4 is upload the build artifact is use, and this example to use as a hyphen the names colon as a upload the build artifact, and the use colons as the action slash the upload dash the artifact at the rate v4, and with colon as a names colon as a applications, and path colon is a target slash as star dot jar is a extension as to gives the files, and is upload the generated jars files as a workflows artifact, and so it can be downloaded as later. And the names is a parameters, as first is the names of the uploaded artifact as the application's name, and the path means as a locations of the jars files as a target slash as a star dot jar. Other topics is a Docker build and the push to the Docker's hub in the GitHub action, as Docker's GitHub actions or workflows is automatically says build to the Docker's image and push it to Docker's hubs, and then the code is pushed to the main branches, and the workflows files location is .github slash as the workflows slash the docker.yml, and the complete the workflows example as a name colon the docker as a build and the push, and inside as a own colon as a push colons inside the branches colon, and hyphen the main, and jobs colons inside as dockers colons inside the runs dash on, and colons as the ubuntu dash the last stage, and the stats colons inside the stats has to give, and hyphen the names colons as a checkout codes, and the use colons as a action slash checkout at the rate v4s, and hyphen the names colons as a logging to the docker hubs, and use colons as a docker slash as the logging dash the actions at the rate v3, and with colon inside the username colon as dollar signs, and double curly braces inside the secret dot as docker underscore usernames, and double curly braces over, and the password colons as the dollar sign inside the double curly braces as the secret dot as a docker underscore as a password, and the double curly braces as over. And above the example as a last steps is hyphen the names colon as a builder, and as a push the docker's image, and as a run colons inside as one, and as a docker build, and the hyphen t, and the my dash app is a repository's names colon as a last edge, and the dot point, and the docker's tag my dash app, and the colons is the last edge, and the dollar sign and the double curly braces inside the secret dot as a docker underscore usernames, and double curly braces over and slash the my dash app colon, and the last edge, and as a docker as a push, and dollar sign and the double curly braces inside secret colons as the docker underscore users names, and the double curly braces over, and slash as the my dash app dot last edge. And step 1 is check out the code as the same, so like above the examples as hyphen the names colon as a checkout code, and the use as colon the action slash the checkout at the rate v4, and as a download your the repositories is a source code to the GitHub actions runners, and why it is the needed as access the project files, read the docker file, and as a build the docker's image. And step 2 is logging to the docker's hub, as step 2 is as a hyphen the names colon as a logging to a docker's hub, and uses colon as a docker slash the logging dash as a actions at the rate v3, and with a colon inside the user's names colon the dollar signs and the curly braces inside as secret colons, and the dockers underscores the user's names and the double curly braces over and the password colon as a dollar signs and the double curly braces inside the secret dot dockers underscore password. And the purpose as the authenticate GitHub actions with your the Docker Hub account, and the parameters as a usernames as a Docker Hub the user's names is stores in the GitHub secret in the password as a Docker Hub as a password, or the access tokens is stores in the GitHub secrets. And required the GitHub secrets as go to the GitHub repositories inside as a setting inside as a secret and the variables inside as a action, and as a create this the secret as a docker underscore username is the values is your the docker hub username, and the docker underscore password as your the docker hub as a password or the personal access tokens to write. Third step is build the docker image, so as a docker build and the hyphen t and the my dash app dot sorry as a colon and last text, and the purpose as a build the docker's image from as a docker file, and the command is broke down as a breakdown, so as a docker's build is create the docker's image, and the hyphen t is assign the tag and the names of the image, and my dash app dot last is image names and the tags, and dot is use the current directories as built as contexts, and the output as a successful built as a b1 as a a1 b2 c3 and d4, and the successfully tagged as a my dash app colon as the last text. Step 4 is tag a Docker's image as a Docker's tag and the my dash app colons a last edge, and as a dollar sign and the curly braces inside the secret dot Docker underscore username is capital letters and the double curly braces over and slash the my dash app dot last edge, and the purpose as the add the your the Docker hub repositories names to the image, and examples as if colons inside as a user's names equal as John Doe, and the image has become the John Doe, and slash the my dash app colons as the last text. And last step is push the Docker's image as Docker push and the dollar sign inside the curly braces as the secret dot Docker underscore username is capital letters and the double curly braces over and slash the my dash app colon as the last step is a repository's name my dash app, and the purpose as upload the Docker's image to the Docker's hub, and after the push the image is available as online, and the example as a docker.io and slash the John Doe and slash as the my dash app colon and the last step. Thank you guys to watch the videos. Please subscribe the channel, on the notification and bell icon.